2025 Porsche Taycan represents the perfect blend of Porsche's legendary performance and innovative electric vehicle technology. Available in various trims, it caters to a wide range of drivers. The base Taycan offers a 402 horsepower electric motor, providing a balanced entry into the world of electric performance, while the Taycan 4S adds all-wheel drive and enhanced power for a dynamic driving experience. The Taycan GTS steps up with 690 horsepower, combining sportiness with efficiency. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance, the Taycan Turbo S delivers up to 938 horsepower, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.3 seconds, while the top-of-the-line Taycan Turbo GT boasts an astonishing 1,019 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.1 seconds. The Taycan features an 800-volt architecture, allowing for ultra-fast charging, and the Performance Battery Plus ensures an impressive driving range, making it ideal for long journeys. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, reflecting Porsche's dedication to both form and function. Inside, the Taycan offers a luxurious and technology-packed cabin, with premium materials, advanced GT2 seats, and a cutting-edge dashboard featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. Porsche has meticulously crafted the Taycan to offer not just performance but also a high degree of personalization. The wheels come in various sizes and finishes, while the aerodynamic enhancements ensure stability at high speeds. Pricing starts at $111,100 for the base model, while the Turbo S and Turbo GT, offering unparalleled performance, are priced at $209,000 and $230,000, respectively. The 2025 Porsche Taycan is more than a car. It's a statement of luxury, performance, and sustainability. It exemplifies Porsche's commitment to innovation and excellence, offering an electrifying driving experience for enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers alike.